Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another walk around video right here at IAA Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are on the hunt for an SUV or anything else that kind of strikes our fancy. So let's kind of jump in because I have so many options here thanks to the good folks at IAA. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
This thing will tow a house, won't it? Yeah, 2013 Ford Expedition. A little bit of a cruncher muncher right there on the doors. Yeah, but I love the colors. I really do. I love the colors. This has a sticker from a high school. So I don't know if this was a high school teacher or a high school coach or perhaps a high school student. This is a big car. I have a story about this particular vehicle. No, not this one in particular. A vehicle just very much like this one. I bought an Expedition from a dealer in Tulsa. I haven't done that very often in my entire lifetime. Maybe I've purchased 3 cars from a dealer. And I got it because, well, one, it was from a dealer. They had that 101 point inspection and I needed something to tow with very, very quickly. So I found it, and part of the deal was that they had to put on some new tires. So they had it all ready for me, got the new tires and everything. And I drove it for a day and it was just kind of squeaky and weird feeling. And I decided to kind of wash the truck. So as I was washing the truck, mine didn't have floorboards. I was washing under here with my sponge, and it goes like that. It wouldn't go smoothly, and then chunks of metal started falling out. The rocker panels on both sides, and even some of the frame was rusted. Yeah, it was the biggest rust bucket ever. So I called the salesman and told him this thing that they sold me was kind of a piece of junk. No, it's not. That's a good car that went through our 101 point inspection. Well, then why didn't you guys see the rust when you put on the tires? Yeah, turned out to be a pretty big deal. They did eventually take the car back, but it wouldn't start. So they had to come tow it back. Something went wrong with it. So I'm a little apprehensive of the Ford Expedition. I don't know. People loved them. I had one for maybe a week, and I hated mine. This one is nice, though. This is really nice. Much nicer than mine. I actually bought a whole new interior for mine. I found it on eBay, and I kind of upgraded it. I did a lot on that stupid thing in a week. And it was the biggest piece of junk. What do you think about this one, though? Okay, you need a couple of doors. Tires have lots of life. Look at those things. They all match. I like the split seat right here, so you have access back to the 3rd row. There is no moonroof or sunroof. You get some audio controls right here for the back seat. People, this is nice. I forgot to look for even a tow hitch, because I do. I need something to tow with. This got a big tow hitch. This would be a good car. Let's see what she's going to do. I don't know if she has any power or not. I like the side steps. And I do like the dash. I got to tell you, I like the dash. I just saw something blinking. So let's see what's going to happen. All right. Oh, I can't, because I can't reach the. Oh, you're kidding me. Well, that's problematic. I can't even reach the ignition. Oh, come on. Where's the ignition? Maybe if I go this way. Will it reach? Oh, now it locked. That's great. And I can't do this. Well, and there's no way to temporarily remove this. I can't do it. Well, I should have looked at this first. I'm sorry, people. I do like this, the gun shifts. You get lots of room. It is kind of plasticky, but it'll tow anything. See, we got 4-wheel drive right there. Well, we're off to a great start, aren't we? Doggone it. All right, here's something I am considering. Just a little bit of work needed for this one. No, I'm kidding. Not this thing. Although I don't, ooh, there's a lot of burn stuff inside there. What I'm looking at right here is this little bitty car. I have always wanted a Mazda Miata slash MX-5. This is a nice one. I love the white. I love the tan. And I did go ahead and do a little interior preview. It's really nice in there. And there is power. Okay, we do have power. This one bumped into something. You need a fender, you need a bumper. Hood is probably, well, it's just dented right there. That could be saved, but look how nice this is. This looks brand new. 2012. Let me use my head as a holder, and we'll put this in. Oh, come on now. Where does this thing go? Right here. There it is, just like that. Okay, I need another arm. This looks very, very nice. It's a 2012. Other than dust, it looks brand new. It really, really does. Okay, on this side, the tires match. There's no damage here on this side. Add a windshield to the list of things that you will need. But this is a cute little car. She is a cutie. Are you gonna open for me? Maybe you're locked. I love the paint, this pearl paint. I really love this. Okay, let's go inside and see what she looks like. We'll need some airbags. And I'm noticing another key cinched all the way up to the steering wheel. Fortunately, it's got a little thing in the ignition already. So let's see what happens, okay? Here we go, we got this. I heard a little beep. Let's see what happens. Okay. Emergency brake is on. She's in neutral. Oh, look how cute this is. If I can get this airbag out of the way. 42,000 miles. Man, this is a nice car. You got your floor mats right here. This looks like it's just a flap. So you may not need to, well, you might have to. Okay, I don't know why people do this. Manufacturers do this. This is only half of it. The other half is right there. So you'll need to put in a new dash. Well, shoot. What happened to the time that you just had a little panel to cover it? And when the airbag blew, you took it out and the new one included the little panel, the little dash panel. Those were good times. This is a nice place to be. Does the window? Absolutely. That one is taped, so I can't do anything with that one. Air conditioning is really cold. Does this show the temperature? Because it's literally 55 degrees out here today. It's a very brisk day here in Tulsa. Oh, we're updating. Something's updating right here. That's a good sign. And the engine sounds very nice. Mikey likey this car. Now let's see if the trunk will open. No. Here, trunk. Trunk. Did you unlock? No. Oh well. I love the two-tone interior. That's very nice. What's a new fender and a bumper going to cost you? I wouldn't think very much. Engine is perfecto. These are such good little cars. This is fun. This is really, really fun. Okay. 42,464 runs and drives. You have keys. You even get your little license plates around right there. Okay, see thunder. Okay. support my NBA team. What do you think? This is a nice place to be. Windshield. So, fender, front bumper, maybe a headlight, and a windshield. Maybe $1,000 for all that? Maybe. I don't know. But this is a really nice place to be. The seats are super comfortable. Ho, 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 ho. Check her out. How about a 2018 Chevy Tahoe? Yeah, supersize the wheels there. Those things are massive. They're 26 inches. Look at that. I kind of like them though. Woo, how does that affect the ride quality? This one used to be nice. It used to be a beautiful car. I'll show you what's wrong with it in just a second. But black on black with the supersized wheels. This is very, very cool. I bet there's no power. But I gotta show you this though. This is kind of cool. This is the problem right here. Look at your door. And your fender. And you got this just kind of sitting on the tire. Well, they took off the fender, thank you very much, which supports all of this. So basically, if you get a fender, this doesn't look, well, okay, that's pushed in just a little bit. Right there. There's a quick look at the engine, which looks kind of nice. Your bumper, you'll need a new bumper. And I'm sure this is attached, right? Yeah, see they have this thing latched here, so you can't open it up. Well, somebody's not working with me very much today. Okay, what's the new, is the door even damaged or do they just take it off? Okay, you need a handle for the door. And a trim piece. But the rest of the door seems to be okay. Let's see if we can kind of just slide in here. Let's move the door forward just a little bit. Or not. Okay, we'll just kind of slide in. Here it is. Oh, let me close my door. There you go. This is nice in here. But there's no power, and I can't get to the battery. Oh, doggone it. Chevy Tahoe, upped your game. Look at this. This is nice. Oh, there's your door card right there, and the glass for your door. Wow. Okay, well, I do need something to pull with. This will be an easy fix. But I don't know. I've never had a 2018. I buy old cars. Old cars. Not these super nice ones. Yeah, somebody left this on and it's not doing anything. So, all right. Although there's a lot of damage, I wonder how much this is going to go for. Here you go. Here's a little hint. 77,000 miles on it. Or that's when it was supposed to be changed back in July. Have I found my next purchase? I don't know. This is a cool little itty bitty car. Do I need it? No, I don't. I came here to look for a big SUV or a big pickup truck. But I like this. This is really fun. It's like a newer version of Millie that used to be on the channel. Yeah, it's a newer version of that. Little MG Midget. Oh, we're going to mark this one down and watch the auction. Next service due $46,685, so it's current on the oil. Everything works. All right, that's going to do it for this video. We'll have another walk around video coming up very, very soon. And if you are new to the channel, thanks for joining us. Subscribers have just taken off lately, which is fantastic. That old, dusty, dirty 190E from 1985 has proven to be a very popular vehicle. So we will continue working on that. We're going to get her back on the road as soon as possible. We'll see you again soon, folks. Bye.